Hello, my name is Derrick, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I've got a great tip for you because a lot of you have watched my Moen shower cartridge install and my Moen bathroom sink cartridge install. And something really important for you to know is Moen has a great replacement program if those cartridges go bad, and it's free. Now, I've known about this for a while because people have told me quite a bit that, yes, you can get it for free. It's really easy. You just call and they send it to you. Well, I tried like a year ago, and they just said you have to have the receipts. They gave me a hard time. I don't know if I got the wrong person or dialed the wrong department. I don't know. So I just kind of gave up on it and said, whatever. But then recently I said, why not try again? So I called again, and lo and behold, it was very easy. They just asked me where I got it from, what was the date, and they sent me out 2 instead of 1. And I thought that was great. So what I'll do is I'll link the number below and also Moen's warranty guidelines in the show notes below, and you can take a look at that. So you can stop here if you want, but if you need a little more info, I actually recorded the prompts that you have to take to get to a live person in order to get your replacement. So if you want to listen to that, stay tuned. If not, then thanks for watching. So if you want to support my channel, check out some of my other videos. Now let's get to those call prompts. Now the number is 1-800-289-6636. Let's call.
Welcome to Moen's Consumer and Professional Services Center. For English, please hold. Para asistencia en español, por favor, oprima el número 8. We are currently experiencing extremely high call volumes. You can find answers to many of your questions online at solutions.moen.com. If you are calling on the status of your order, please allow up to 14 business days for it to arrive. You will receive a shipping confirmation email with a tracking number once it ships. Please select from the following options. If you are a consumer looking for warranty assistance or would like to purchase parts, press 3.
3.
In order to better assist you, please have your Moen product model number available. For information on how to locate your model number, press 1. For garbage disposals and sinks, press 2. For all other Moen products, including kitchen and bathroom faucets, press 9 or remain on the line.
Press 9 or hold. And that's it. And then you just wait for a person to pick up, or you can choose the option to have them call you back. And then I just talked to a representative. And like I said, I gave them the date and where I got it from. And I had to give them some of my background information, name, telephone number, address. And then if you're already in the system, they can pull you up, I think, by your telephone number. So, but it was really that simple, easy. They'll send it to you. And then if you actually want it quicker, because my leak was a slow leak, so I can wait for them to mail it. But if you want it expedited, you have to pay a little bit extra. I didn't ask for that price because I wasn't in a rush. But hope this helps. Take care.